transfer news. Chelsea continue to be active in the market, as always, confirming the signings of Jamie Gittins and João Pedro. The Blues are now reportedly targeting defensive reinforcement and potentially a new goalkeeper, pending outgoing transfers. Manchester United are still pushing for Brentford's Bryan Mbeumo, with the new bid expected this week. United have already parted ways with Victor Lindelof and Christian Eriksen and recently welcomed Matheus Cunha to the squad. Arsenal have confirmed the signings of Martin Zubimendi, Christian Nørgaard and goalkeeper Kepa Arrizabalaga. However, the Gunners remain in search of a striker and a winger as they are linked with Eberechi Eze and Hugo Ekitike to add power to the attack. And Newcastle haven't signed anybody because everybody is rejecting them.